Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Genesis. So guys, this episode starts off with Ubongo. He is in the living room or the lounge area of the Tabete residence, and he is playing the keyboard or the piano, so they say, in peace. And then Gabriel walks in and he's like, "Avenge ngilutanda lolusizi lama minor chords," speaking about the piano. Then he looks at Ubongo and he's like, "Singakhulum." Ubongo's like, lalela la, angikho esimeni sokhuluma nawe mina Gabriel. Gabriel goes on to say ukuthi angizili uzolwa Bongo, like bambalana, and then he slides something on the piano. Then Ubongo's like, "Yini manje lena?" Gabriel's like, "Lawa hama voucher for a weekend away. Wena no Maruna niyadinga ukushawa umoya." I was so surprised, and I'm like, what's the catch here? And Gambela Ubongo then asks Uti, "What's the catch ngala matikiti?" Then Gabriel says, "How shuti gisrwane ngaleyo ndlela, that like I can't give you something innocently. There's no catch, Bongo. Miss Kuluma Makainiso, you and Maruna have been through a lot, and Nami, I didn't support you guys as Ubaba. Lena ge yindlela yami yokucela." Ubongo then says, "Mhlampe uMaruna uzowajabulela lamatikiti." And then Gabriel says ukuthi asithembeke. Kuyofanele ukuthi simsize uMaruna to find her passion again. I mean, she's a star, and a star deserves to shine. And then he gets up and then he leaves. Ubongo continues his keyboard or his piano, and then he looks at those vouchers, I guess. I'm just like, yes, Gabriel, one smart guy. Because I'm like, what are the chances, the fact that like he's giving Ubongo a getaway voucher with Umaruna, knowing this whole situation, and he knows that Ubongo just got appointed as CEO. So why would he want a person who's newly instated as a CEO to be going on a trip, nama vacations, esandawqala? Anyway, again, let's see in shame. We see Ishmael Nophistos. This is day 2. They are back at the Genesis records. Remember the previous episode, Bato Shiwe, guys. So they're back again, trying to try their luck because they believe that, listen, this is our breakthrough. So they're trying to convince one another. We're going to convince the securities. They're trying to speak to one security. Then the security who kicked them out yesterday comes out and is like, "Yini futi, lama para azohlupa lana futi." And then Ishmael humbles himself. He's like, "Baba, asizanga ngempi. We're here to speak to Mr. Gabriel Kikaba. And you know what? We have a special sort of appointment with him. And I don't think you want to lose your job at this old age." Ufistos angene, and Fistos is like, "Listen, vela mankampana maningi, they wouldn't want to asha umuntu at your age. So what I suggest ukuthi singenise, because nali nekhadi." They show him Gabriel's business card, which vele Gabriel wants us here. So what is Gabriel gonna say when he hears which when ukoshe abantu that he called to come here? Find the security, then sends umyalezo to the other security ukuthi khona abantu engibathumelayo lapho and bangeneke. At that point, I'm excited because I'm like, my guys decided not to give up, and I'm happy about that. Next thing at the Citibank residence, Maruna, even in umgowo wakhe, guys, always looking cute. Sitting there on the couch looking cute. Uwendi joins her, and then Uwendi's like, "Did you get a good night rest, Nana?" Then Maruna just keeps quiet. Then Uwendi's like, "How?" Maruna, like, "I'm talking to you." Maruna's like, "I hope you're not here thinking ukuthi uzongiconvince to go back to music, to the music industry, because now I quit." And is like, "All right, Nana, like, I hear you, but..." As she's speaking like that, Umpumi comes out of the room with the big box, guys, and she places it on the table. That box in embasa, shoes, bags. And then Wendy's like, "And then wena?" Saying to Ulokuzana Umpumi, "And then wena, what's going on?" Maruna's like, "What's this? Phela lezi izinto ngizithengele wena Mpumi. I bought them for you out of love." Umpumi's like, "Love? Don't tell me about love, Maruna." Wendy's like, Mpumi, like Chusela kukalilo, so phala nezinto zakho. Umpumi goes on to say, "Love is what I gave uphila mina. Wena Maruna, you know nothing about love. When Pwila walked in through that door, it was my life that had to stop, not yours, Maruna. You even have the nerve to tell me what you wena. You were in labor for 16 hours. These things on Tengelezona, they were a bribe, right? So Ben Aluguchus Tate, take them back. I don't want them, Maruna. And all of you, Lan and Lin, ngiyantshela ke manje ukuthi you must allow me to love uPhila and allow me to mourn him. I don't know whether ukuthi nimbe ngizama ungibribe or you are paying me with these things, but anyway, these things mean nothing to me. And she's like, nonsense. She walks away. When is that Batung? What's going on? I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna have to agree with Umpumi on this one. I have to agree with her, you guys, because I'm just like, why is Uwe Ndipazito dosaring Umaruna? Maruna, isn't she supposed in the culture yabo? Isn't she supposed to be mourning? But yet she's busy, always looking top tier, and yet she's saying she quit music. Hey man. Anyway, next scene we see Gabriel. He goes to the office in Gempela, gets to the office, he's greeting everyone, good morning, good morning. That time, Ufistos Beno Gabriel are sitting there. No, because Ufistos Beno Ishmael, they're sitting there. Gabriel Angana, he doesn't even see them because he's focusing on whatever he's focusing on. He passes them. Bapaga Mege, and they decide to follow him. When Gabriel gets to his door, the door of his office, he sees the title on the outside of the door. It's been changed. It's written Bonginkosi Tabete CEO. Gabriel then asks the guys who are standing near his door, Ubanofage lente stapin sam. People just keep quiet. He's like, he just rips the name tag off the door. Ishmael comes closer. He's like, sorry, that Gabriel, and then Gabriel looks at them. He's like, they get into his office. Huh? Fine, der Ubongo goes and visits Umaru Nangiti. His dad, his stepdad, gave him amatigito, ama voucher. So he's there to tell Umaru, listen, I've got a surprise for you. We're going on a weekend getaway, Mina Nawe. Maruna doesn't seem excited. Maruna's like, I really hope you're not trying to convince me to go back into the music industry. Ubonga's like, how ang Luto. I promise you, even on our getaway, I'm not going to say anything about you and this getaway. Maruna, I know we really need this. I know, like with Silan and Zini, like with your nephew passing away, I know you also need this getaway. We needed the two of us. As they speaking like that, Uwendu comes in. She's like, Dumela Mkwenyan. And then Ulokuzan Ubong was like, oh, Sawbona ma. Uwendu's like, don't worry, Umaruna, we are hamba. Umpumizaka, yeah, Pumaruna. Aren't we supposed to stay put until the cleansing ceremony? Haibo Uwendi then says, no, we are born again Christians, Lionslin. If we do the cleansing ceremony, only the mother of the child will be cleansed. So when Pumi, you'll be cleansed as the mother of the child. Maruna is free to go. Yambon to Maruna, she doesn't even know what to say. Ubon looks at Maruna, he's like, my love, let's hand. Uwendi just says, don't worry, Mkwenyana. She's going, Lorna. Ubong was like, oh, okay, haike, zoblinde modweni, and then he gets up, he kisses Maruna's forehead, and he leaves like that. You can see Maruna's excited for a getaway. My heart was so for Umpumi, because I'm like, so it means Umpumi is the mother of Upila when it suits them. Now, Uwendi is making sure Uti Maruna must go, because she knows Uti now that Maruna quit, Maruna is to secure the bag. So if she marries Ubongo, the bag is secure like forever. So she's making sure Maruna secures the bag. I'm just like, Uwendiganti, what type of mother is she? Again, next scene in Gabriel's office, Gampela, then Unokuzana tells them, Ishmael tells Gabriel ukuthi yazi nomzana besifikile lana izolo basixosha, they thought we were paras and whatnot. Gabriel's like, ngicabanga ukuthi kukuphi lana ye? Ngicabanga ukuthi tuck shop lana. You think you can come in here ungana appointment, eh? When if you are really serious about being a musician, use that business card hambani lana. And then they looking at one another like to say, what's going on? Is that kambani? Nivala umnyango lapho. They call, guys, they close the door. Gabriel notices ukuthi etafuleni it's also written Bonginkosi Tabete as CEO. He just takes that title and throws it in the pen and the scene ends like that. Guys, my heart was so. Gabriel, I'm just like, he doesn't have impact. So guys, how do you speak to people like that? Maybe he's trying to say to them, go and make an appointment in order for us to have a meeting. Right? He's saying which this is not a tuck shop, sebenzisa their business card. It's not even clicking in their head which they need to call and set up an appointment or something like that. Like he just guys, and imagine manje, if Ishmael comes and works for this business, Gabriel will always remind him, I took you from nothing. Anyway, uLokhuzana, we see uBongo, he's outside just sipping on some tea. So uLokhuzana, umawakhe Felicia comes outside and she's like, Aibo, uselana, like, what are you doing here? I thought you're supposed to be at the office your first day of work. Then uBongo's like, no, ma ante ngizokala Monday. I'm gonna start on Monday because me and uMaruna are going on a weekend getaway. Yeah. Wendy, not to Wendy, Felicia, ashintshe ebusweni. And she's like, so you are choosing a weekend getaway, naleya ntombazana, than your family business. uBongo's like, how ma? Since when uMaruna is leya ntombazana? Like, what's wrong with that? I'm gonna come back and work and don't. Felicia's like, I just don't want you to lose focus when Bongo, because like this is your legacy. I don't want you to lose focus because of leya ntombazana. And then uBongo's like, how? What ma? uMaruna kasenalo igama yini? Felicia's like, awuyini, what do you want me to call her? Then uBongo's like, maybe mhlampe makoti or something like that. But you can see ukuthi Felicia's acting very funny and uBongo's just not getting it. And uBongo ends up saying, hey ma, asiyekele, let me focus on my life, you focus on your life, because ngiyabona ukuthi lento like it's not sitting well with you. Then they leave it like that. Yeah. Then next scene we see Felicia, she's in her room, guys. She's reading her Bible. Gabriel walks in. Gabriel's like, Felicia, ibizwani lento oyenzayo? Ukuthi unyonyobe uyotshala ibhodi ukuthi ifake uBongo as i-CEO. Felicia's like, awungiphumele Gabriel. Gabriel's like, usuka lapho ukhipha izinto zami e-ofisini lami ubeka igama lakhe estabheni sami. Felicia then says, ngithe phume ekamereni lami Gabriel. Gabriel's like, lethe leli kamera. Lalela-ke, uzobiza leya bhodi njengamanje ubatshele ukuthi wenze iphutha, yimina i-CEO lana. Felicia looks at him. She's like, uyi-CEO when? Wena u-CEO? She picks up her shoe, guys. Ngathi ufuna umshaya. Gabriel's like, Felicia wenzani? She's like, wena u-CEO? Ubhizi ugijimisana namantombazane amancane lana. Wena u-CEO, you pervert. Yeah, they're running around. She's running around the room, and then it gets to a point where Gabriel is at the door. So she's pushing the door for Gabriel to get out. Gabriel is pushing the door to come in. So it's that to and fro type of thing. Felicia ends up biting Gabriel's hand. Gabriel ends up screaming. He ends up pulling the door, and as he's pulling the door, then Felicia's hands get jammed at the door. So now they are both crying there, hyzering at the top of their lungs because both of their hands are painful. Next scene, we see Gabriel putting his hand in the ice. Felicia Naya, she's running her hand underneath water. Gabriel's like, abusive wena. Felicia is saying, ukuthi wena uzoyolala ejele namhlanje, I'm telling you, ngeke ngikuyeke. Wena ntonton, guys. Then Gabriel decides to call the police and reports a case of domestic violence. I was just like, hey, boy, these two. Next scene, shame, guys. Ishmael, he is so sad. Gabriel ubaxoshisa, ubaxoshe kabi. Fistos is mad. It's like, imagine we used our lost sense. Siye Genesis manje asinakudla. How can he treat us like that? And that scene just ends, guys. My heart was so sore for Ishmael because I'm just like, when is he gonna get his breakthrough? And it even seems like even when he gets his breakthrough, it seems like it's gonna come with hardships because of Gabriel. Last scene, guys, we see Gabriel is talking with police, telling them, "Yazu, finish here. This is a case of abuse, domestic violence. She's abusive, that woman." As he's talking with the police in the house, now Felicia Kamuga yena coming into the house, namaphoyisa wakhe, which means each of them are escorted by police. Felicia comes in the house. She's like, "Listen, this guy abuses me. What? Now they're screaming over one another. What do you hear? This one was pulling the door. The other one was pushing the door. No, the other one bit me." The police end up saying, "Okay, fine. You know what? We are taking both of you in." So both of them get arrested and the scene just ends like that. I'm just like, the toxicity between this couple. Listen, they did not need anyone to fafaza indaba yabo ngaphandle. They did it to themselves by calling the police in the situation, which I'm sure is going to make news because they are famous people. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.